One of the key features of the Astro 510 is our ControNest software, which is designed to make the entire cutting process simple and efficient. An operator can import an existing DXF or DWG file, prepare it for cutting, and send the completed job directly to the machine. If a part needs to be created or modified, our built-in CAD tool allows for those changes to be made in the software. The Astro 510 combines US Laser's proprietary software with the Beckhoff controller and Beckhoff drives. This gives the operator a simple interface, while providing the speed, precision, and reliable machine control needed for high-performance laser cutting. From importing a drawing and preparing the nest, to operating the machine and monitoring production, the entire workflow is managed through one streamlined system.